Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Grace Assembly of God Church.
The announcement for this week are
Today, we have Indie Prayer Fellowship at 6 p.m.
Sancti. Today we have also communion service followed by the missions offering. So please give generously.
On March 29th, we have Good Friday celebration at 9:30 a.m. Please come.
Every Friday we have day of encounter with God in different parts of the Faridabad. The centers are 21C, NH5 and the Springfield.
We have Destiny Fellowship in different parts of Faridabad. Please be part of it.
Let's see what Pastor Ivan wants to say about the Destiny Fellowship.
And also the day of encounter.
Hi church, I just want to make sure that we understand the difference between Destiny Fellowship and the Day of Encounter. Now, I'm sure all of you have this card on Destiny Fellowship. This is a card where you invite your friends, your neighbors, people who live around your house, just for a time of interaction with God's Word. And you know that we have a video, we talk, have questions that we discuss. So that's what a Destiny Fellowship is all about. And then it's fellowship, it is praying for people, it is sharing with their needs or whatever it is. So a Destiny Fellowship is more a place of interaction where you spend time with people, you interact with people. But a day of encounter, where we have it in different parts of the city, is a different thing altogether. I have heard that many times we confuse our Destiny Fellowship with a day of encounter. I've heard people say, oh, I cannot go there for a day of encounter because that is another Destiny Fellowship. Now, the day of encounter, we only have 3 centers in English, but we have numerous centers in Hindi language all over the city. And what really happens is, people from different Destiny Fellowships, or in the Hindi we call them care cells, they gather in these places. So it doesn't matter which Destiny Fellowship you are a part of. It really doesn't matter. You can go to any place for a day of encounter. That means you can come to the church right here where I lead, or you can go to where Pastor Edison leads or where Pastor Uday leads. It's up to you where you want to go. And so let's not confuse the Destiny Fellowship with a place of day of encounter. So regardless of your Destiny Fellowship, regardless of which place you stay in, you are welcome to go to any one of our centers. And I encourage you, you must go to one of our centers for a day of encounter, because it will change your life forever. In our time here, we've enjoyed fellowship. We have seen God answer prayer, God heal people, and I know God can do that for you also. Don't wait till you have a need. Go even before you have a need and pray for other people on this time of our day of encounter. God bless you, and I look forward to seeing you in the Destiny Fellowship and also in one of the centers for a day of encounter.
Thank you, Pastor Ivan. Every Wednesday we have evening with Pastor. Last Wednesday a group of young people came. They had a great time. If you want to meet, please contact any of our pastors.
If you want to take membership in our church, please contact one of the pastors today or visit our website. Click on the membership button and download the form. Pastor Uday is here to explain more about the membership.
Just want to inform you that we give membership twice a year, once during the church anniversary and second during Easter. And this Easter we are going to take in new members. If you are coming to this church for quite some time and want to be member of our church, please collect the membership form either from me or Pastor Edison after the service. And please fill the form and return it back by 17th, that is the next Sunday.
On March 31st, we have Resurrection Day celebration, followed by the fellowship meal. And also we have the membership Sunday. So that's all for today.
I'm sorry boys, that's not all for today. I have an announcement from the professionals group. On 7th of April, the professionals are meeting for the first time for a dinner. If you want to be a part of it, please contact one of the leaders, and the leaders are Mercy, Tarango, Harish and Rati. And even you can contact me. That's all for today.
Jai Mercy.